Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off security alerts on your Messenger app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Messenger app. All you have to do, you just go up here, you click here on app, then it's going to take you to next window here like you say. And you just go up here, you click here on mark settings, then it's going to take you to next window here like you say. And you just go down here and you click here on privacy and you come to next window here, then you just click here on end-to-end encrypted chats, then it's going to take you here. You click here on security alerts, then you come here to security alerts window, you click here on this mark or this color, and like you say color, it's gone now. That's mean security alerts it's turned off now. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.